and this.
Okay. So
So in a React.js, open a React.js.
use effects, this one, right? An
Yes,
API.
yes. So in JavaScript, if you able to recall, we learn sync async. Am I right?
Yes.
And then async, we will learn timer is there, which will give us some delay. Am I right?
Hmm.
And you can say this API calls or promise is there. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
Which will require some time
Hmm.
to complete. Am I right?
Hmm.
So in a UI means when means you cannot block. Am I right? You cannot block the UI means if you block then user is not able to see do anything. User is not able to click anything because it's a block if it's a blocked state. Am I right?
Hmm.
So but these things are required. You understand my point? So
Yes.
sometime we need to means make a API call, which will take some time. Am I right?
Yes.
So and sometime you need to do after you can say rendering the page. Understand my point?
Okay. After rendering the page.
Rendering means then everything is visible to the user. Am I
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
And buttons are interactive. You can user is able to interact. That's a rendering.
Hmm.
Makes sense. And for but to handle with this time consuming task, what is the solution there? Those are called side effects. Okay,
Okay.
those are called side effects means those are required, but for UI those are side effects. Am I right?
Hmm.
So for that, how you can handle those? For to handle those, we have a special kind of hook is which is called this use effect. Am
Hmm.
I right?
Hmm.
And as you know, means earlier we use state, which have a you can say two things. One is the variable, and one is the function. With the help of we can update the value of that particular variable. Am I right?
Hmm.
And here as well means we have a you can say two option. One is the function, and what is the you can say what is the value with the help of that function is called.
Hmm.
That's a array here. Okay.
Okay.
So if you are leaving the array empty, means you are not passing any value in that array, that you are saying, hey, whatever means whenever page is rendered, okay,
Hmm. Hmm.
then I want to just call this. I need to deal with that side effect only once when page loaded.
Hmm.
Okay, then you will keep that array empty. You understand my point? And when you say, hey, when you want something value, if value is changed, okay, then this function need to be called again and again. You understand my point?
Hmm. What did you say about the last one? Like if the
If let's say in your this array you have some value, am I right?
Hmm.
Let's
Hmm.
say count, am I
Yes.
right? So if you want when this value is updated, am I right?
Hmm.
Then you want to call re-render that page or do the same thing again. Makes sense? Which
Yes.
is earlier working on a for one time only. So you can do that as well. You understand my point?
Hmm.
So here you need to the today agenda of this class is to understand this use effect only and
Okay.
do the practical around this. Just go ahead and check this. And third way is also there. We will learn that as
Use
well. Okay.
effect is a React hook used to handle side effects. API calls, timer, subscriptions, data object management. What about these subscriptions?
Subscription means you need to have you subscribe something.
Hmm.
Let's say you like cricket and you subscribe for notification of cricket. Right.
Hmm.
So in a subscription, it will take some time, and in a subscription, we will need to check if something is published
Hmm.
by you can say team or other person,
Hmm.
so that you can display those things. For that, it's a time consuming as well.
Okay.
Okay,
And this one and this one.
you
Data.
know very well. DOM,
Hmm.
DOM
Yeah.
update. What is DOM?
Data object management.
DOM, man, data object model,
Oh, model, not management. My bad.
document object model.
Yes.
Data not data, document object model, which is a tree which browser can understand.
Hmm.
When something is added, when something is removed. Am I right?
Hmm.
Then it's a side effect.
Yes. Because your component should render UI but not directly handle external operations. Mm, 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 okay. TV turns on, component mounts, mm, fetched, refresh data, user. So basically, use effect is being used like after the things have completed, after the action.
Ma'am, means user is able to see the
Hmm.
pages and they are able to interact. Then it will work. Because it's a side effect.
Hmm.
Side effect means if you will do before that, and if you don't know means your page is render or not. If you do that, it will your UI will freeze and user is not able to see, which is
Hmm.
a bad impression of your website.
Hmm.
You understand my point?
Yes. Component render, use effect runs, API call, state update, re-render UI. Mm. And they're using arrow function here.
Yes, yes. Those things are same. Here it's a function,
Hmm.
and your function is you can say called based on the second parameter, which is a array.
Hmm.
Okay, which I explained to you. One is when you say empty, array is empty, that means you are saying it will called initially.
Hmm.
Okay, once only.
Dependency array empty run once on mount. Dependency array. Hmm.
Dependency array means this function depend upon these values. So in a array, you need to mention some variable, means data variable, which when they will change, then this need to be triggered. You understand my point?
For example.
For example, move it like this, run with the state change.
Hmm.
Next, run once, run with the state change.
This one.
Yes. When count value is changed, then it will execute.
Hmm.
That function will call. And if you want, it should be it not be depend upon anything. Then you want something is changed, it will render automatically. Then without array, if you will write that, it will work without waiting for anything.
Mm.
Okay, three states are there. One, empty array,
Mm.
call once. You can say another is when you pass some value inside a array, then value is changed, then this will call. Okay,
Mm.
function will call. Third one, you can say run every, you can say this, every change. If something is changed on a, you can say any state, it will call automatically.
Mm.
In on a your let's say two states are there, three states are there. If something is changed, it will call that again
Mm.
every time. Now you understand three.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Okay, API call using fetch. I guess we did the fetch function before, right? But this
Yes,
is.
yes, 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 yes.
Mm.
So first to go through the theory, whatever time left, we can do the practical so that you will feel confident regarding these all these concepts.
Mm-hmm. So
Understand my point?
yeah. So this is the post one. Mm.
This is a simple API call which
Mm.
you know very well. The
Yes.
only difference is this: you are calling this inside a use effect only. And after getting a, you can say this, you are updating the state. Am I right? With
Mm.
the help of data, and then you are passing this as a set state. So after means after use effect, you are calling that. You can say using this data to render. You can say this title,
Mm.
post titles
Yes.
inside a app only. Please understand the things. If you're not clear about these things, please let me know. Otherwise, if you understand, just go ahead so that we can do a practical as well.
Yes. Just one thing. This one, right? The JSON we are with the help of JSON file. It's for the backend, right?
Isra, you can say first line you are making a API call of
Mm.
get. Am I right?
Mm.
Where if you're successful, then you will get a response.
Mm.
Then you are capturing that. You
Mm.
can, and this is a normal response. You need to convert into a JSON. You are doing that with the help of rest.json.
Mm.
You understand my point?
Yes.
If yes, after doing that, if conversion is successful, then you are means getting the actual data in the form of JSON. Then you are passing this JSON to your set post data.
Yes.
You are
And
updating this state. You can use here, uh, you can say async await as well at the place of then
here, right?
on these two lines. Yes, at the place of both, then you can convert it to this await.
Mm. Mm. Then, because I remember like the for the post when it's in the database, how they are being written, right, in a different manner, title, ID, and everything, and all
Yes,
the
yes,
information stays over there, right?
yes, yes, yes.
So that the name of that file is JSON.
JSON is a stand for JavaScript Object Notation. Okay,
Yeah.
this is a way to is this a standard format of data which we will use for, you can say, sending a request to the server,
Mm.
and getting a response from the server.
Okay.
If you check your previous, you can say implementation, you done this there
Mm.
as well
Mm-hmm.
in a JavaScript. Check your last assignment or last lecture where we discussed fetch API call. Check
Yes,
that, please.
we did.
That's the same thing. If you talk about promise, then we will learn how you can handle promise in a different way with the help of
Uh,
yes.
Events and form, right?
No, 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 no. Remove, close this React one, JavaScript. Open JavaScript. JavaScript folder. Check this async wait first. Async one. Yes, check this please. Async MD. Go through this. So whatever we are discussing, it's a promise one. Okay.
Mm.
And a promise we used then. You
Yes.
can check this. Am I right?
Mm.
Done. Okay. And I the next good format of this handling this promise is a async wait. Go down little bit. So this is async wait, and here you are able to what I'm trying, whatever you are able to see there. This is same thing. You're
Mm-hmm.
making a API call, you will get a response. Am I right? To
Yes.
convert that response into a JSON, you require this line.
Mm.
So you can use async await there as well
Yes. Yeah,
at the
I
place
remember.
of
I
then.
remember this one. Yeah.
Okay, earlier we used then, but you can use async await, which is a cleaner
Mm.
way to do handle this promise.
This one seems cleaner, right? Or no?
Yes, it's a cleaner.
Yes.
You can use. That's why I'm saying if you know the previous thing, then you can play around with those things.
Yep.
You understand my point?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead and check that. Any
Mm.
other question you have?
I think where was it? This one, right? Mm. Okay. So component load use effect API call set state UI update. Mm. Okay. API call using async wait. Okay. Now I guess the one you were. Yeah, that's the one, right? The same thing.
Yes.
Okay. So they're using the async one, and yeah, this one seems cleaner.
Yes.
Okay. So fetch data. Okay. Cleaner and preferred. Okay. Loading and error handling is this one. Set post loading set loading true. Why this one is true over here?
It's default value. In a use state, you need to pass a default value. Am I right?
Mm,
So you are just giving a default value there. True. You can, if it's a string value, you can put it empty. It's your call.
mm,
If you want, you can give a false as well. Because we want to display while when you require some data which will take some time. Okay.
mm,
If you
mm,
are not showing the loading to the user, then user is unable to understand why this page is blank. Am I right? Why I am not able to see anything? Because you are loading the things, and after loading you need to render those things. You understand my point?
mm.
So that's why initially it's a true.
So what you are saying, yeah, like when we're loading a page, something shows up, right?
Yes, like line number go down. If
Mm.
loading is there, then you are means returning this. Am I right?
This one, if loading, this one.
Yes.
Like the para is gonna show this loading, right?
Yes. Yes. When we got any error, or
Hmm.
if we got any error or success, we are making it false. Then it will update and return a next thing,
Which one?
like this return post map.
Post ID, post title.
Yes. It will return this UI part. Then it will render this part.
Hmm. Like whatever we have written in this
Yes.
title, right?
Yes. It will provide us a, you can say, S2, you can say list of S2.
Yes. But what if it fails? The loading fails.
Loading fails means we are hiding. We are not returning this. If
Okay.
it's failed, we are printing only error message.
Oh, okay. Okay.
In a
This.
both cases, we are means hiding are this loading part.
Mhm. Okay. API call with. Mm, Prepare your token.
This
Mm,
is nothing, Saad, is the same thing which we learn for API call.
mm,
To make a API call, you can pass something in a header, am I right? Or you can pass in a body, you can pass as a path param, you can pass as a query param. So
mm.
those are the same thing. Rest of the things are same.
Yes. Mm, 1000. Okay. So over here we are using the timer.
Yes. Basically, we are creating a function, and after this, yes,
Like this is the timer, right? 1000.
yes.
Okay. Component unmounts. Okay. Common mistakes is dependency area influence, no calling component model, not handling errors, updating state incorrectly. Mm, Call API on component load, show loading state, handle API errors. Call API when input changes. Mm, uh, isn't it the same project?
Yes, this is the same thing, but here you need to use React
Uh, Plus
with the
Django.
API. No, right now because we are not, you don't know Django, but
Yes.
you know the React. So we will use the existing API to
Mm,
to complete this. When you learn, then I want we will do a real stuff, and
mm,
rather than doing this post and thing, we will work on a real project. There you will write your own API and implement it by your own in a front end side as well.
mm.
But right now you need to focus how you can do this with the help of use effect and make a API call.
Okay. Mm, okay.
Just do one thing. Just try these whatever code example is there. Just go ahead and try these by your own.
These ones.
And these ones, yes, these one you can use or go up a little bit. API call is there. Yes, you can use this.
This one.
Okay. You can use this. Go up, go up, go up. Oh, hold on, hold on. You can use this. These, yes, these, and first you will go check this and run this successfully. When you're done with this,
Mm.
Then I want you can change to this with a uh, with your async await. Am I right? In a
Mm.
cleaner way. And means if you go down, that code is there. But first you run this first, okay? And at the place of this dummy URL 127, this one, you used post one, which we already have, placeholder one. You understand my point?
Yes. Let me try. Mm. JSX or JS. Mm. What is this problem? This is
Mm, count this. No, what I close this and open again. Go to terminal, please. Go to terminal. Click on this. Click on this link. Okay, run your app again, please. Factory.
this
Where
one.
you are using this? Here, hold on. Go to your that app, please.
Oops. Just.
Go to your app, please.
Mm.
App code. Why you will write this way? Practice.jsx.
No, I
You
was.
need to create a one component. Use effect API practice.jsx. And at the place of this, you need to change the name of your this.
Mm.
Line number three, change the name. Change the name of your component. Line number three, at the place of app,
Yeah.
at the place of app, you can say this use effect use effect component. Because we are testing use effect
Mm.
component, comp. Okay, okay. Now, hold
But
on,
are we changing
hold
our?
on, hold on. I need to understand what you are doing. Man, we need to do the, you can say, use in a project, not a, this is not a JavaScript, it's a React, and
Mhm.
React will work inside of your project.
Okay.
You understand my point?
Mm-hmm.
So you can use this file inside your factory management project, game store project, or my portfolio React project. You cannot use this way.
Okay. Okay.
You understand my point?
Yes. So
Under inside a component, source component,
components over here, right?
create a one new folder so that
Mm.
you can memorize or remember.
User.
So you can say use exercise, effect exercise. Yes, new file. You can say use effect example. Use effect example.
Breaking.
You need to use effect dot JSX. You need to give a extension as well.
This one, right? The name.
Rename.
Rename example.jsx, right?
Yes.
And over here, instead of app, it's gonna be
use effect component, and use the export
Export
line
over here.
yes, below or in the same line. Line number three, before function use export.
Export
No, in the same line. In the same line.
same line.
Yes, export. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you need to use the change the URL there. Line number 8 at the place of this URL. You need to
Hmm.
use this Java placeholder one. You check your you can say JavaScript file. There is a URL. You can use that. JavaScript. Go up. JavaScript folder, man.
This one.
No, 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 no. Inside that, go to last folder. Fetch. In a JavaScript. JavaScript. Go to JavaScript, please. JavaScript folder. Not React.js. Go up.
Uh,
Go up. Up. Yes. Fetch. Click on a fetch folder. Line number 9.
9.
9.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Open this code. API code.js file. So copy this.
This
Copy
one.
this. Paste URL. Yes.
Pasted in this one.
Yes. Now you need to call this component with inside your app.jsx.
Hmm. Here, right?
Yes, at the place of
Hmm.
this game store, you call that component. Use that component.
Over
Line
here.
number five. Line number 5.
Yes. What you want me to do here? Return.
Use effect. Yes, you need to call use effect. Example.
Example or
Yes,
example.
effect component. Yes,
Yeah. This one, right?
you need to import in line number 1. You need to change that at the place of this general store. You need to import that.
Import this
Yes.
one. Yeah.
Now
And
please run your project and check the output there.
everything is breaking. Mm, okay. Is using incorrect casing. Pascal case for real components or lowercase or so this one is wrong. The naming, right?
Okay. Yes, it should be start from you can say capital.
Capital U
You can
or
use another name. You can use another.
okay. Okay, let's fix that thing then. Use effect. So the whole thing is wrong. Rename. Use effect dot jsx.
No,
Oh no.
use other thing. Use other name, please.
Okay. What should I name it then?
Use you can say use effect
Use
practice
effect practice
practice.
like this.
Yes, and go to this. Open this file.
This one, right?
Yes. No, no. This go to open this file. Use effect exercise. Open that file, please.
This one.
Yes, and at the place of this use effect component, you use U is capital. In line number 4,
Yes.
yes, use is capital there.
Use effect
Yes.
and
Okay.
this com
Use. That's fine. That's fine.
It's fine.
Okay, just go to this app.jsx
Mm.
and
This one.
yes, U is capital there. Yes. What is saying? Import. There is some problem with the import. Line number one.
Mm.
Line number one. What do you need to do? After from, remove this line and do step by step. Do this step by step. Yes. Dot
Slash
dot components. Yes. Components. Under components, you have the use effect exercise. Yes.
this one, right? Use
Effect exercise. Yes. Practice. Yes.
quick practice.
No, no, it's a exercise. Exercise, not practice. Under component, we have a use effect exercise.
Use effect. See, use effect actually.
Exercise. Exercise. It's a folder name. Yes, yes, it should be there.
But this one it is small letter U.
So we are using small letter U there only. No
Okay, so
worries.
no problem, right?
Yes, yes, yes. It's a
Oh,
folder name.
okay.
Then you need to call this.
And then
You
user practice.
yes.
Okay.
Save this.
Mm.
Now run your application again. Why you are opening this so much? You can say terminal.
Okay, I'm gonna delete it. Mm.
Now it's rendering. Okay.
What are
Rendering
these?
your all the posts which you got from API.
What are these like?
Post response.
But I can
Okay. Do one thing. Do
mm,
one thing. Copy that URL which you are using in API call.
this one.
No.
Oh.
Go to your code. Copy use effect practice. So this.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Copy this URL please and paste in your browser and check that what response you will get there. You understand? You are printing the title, that's why you are able to see all the title available in this response is rendering there.
Okay. Yes. Like these things, right?
Yes, titles. Yes.
Title.
If you check your code, we are doing that here only.
Where posts, right?
No, man,
Title.
just check.
Title.
Yes, yes, yes.
Title. Yes.
If you want
So,
to print something else, you can copy a one more line and print a description as well if you want to do that.
so can we print only the user ID?
Yes, it's totally up to you.
We can, right?
Yes,
How it is written?
check.
User ID, right?
I is capital.
ID. Okay. Yes. Changing. Nice.
Okay, now you need to try with the async await and
Mm.
whatever you learn earlier means if you will give some, you can say, if you use some state there inside of array, how it will work. Am I right? Whatever example given in that file, now you are able to run all these example and validate and understand the things.
Mm. Can we use this thing?
For that, you need to take one another. You can say this. You can use, yes, you can, whatever you want to use, you can use. If you
Mhm.
want to display body, these things, you can do that as well. It's totally up to you.
Mhm. Yeah,
You,
I get it.
you can check the things. If you have any question or concern, feel free to ask.
Mhm. Okay. No, I think I'm good.
Okay. Then, if you are good, it's a great thing. Let me stop the recording.